you plan to do if this whole dream of yours doesn't work
It
out?
doesn't even enter my consciousness.
Ladies and gentlemen, certificate of training is awarded to the following: Irish Gail Lab. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations! Entrepreneurship PQS Level 4, Batch 1 of the Philippines. Group picture po tayo with our VIPs. Dear graduates, dito po sa tabi ng ating mga VIP.
In the sense that this is the first batch. So you're the pioneer.
Being grounded and staying true to our values, they represent our connection to nature and remind us to stay authentic and environmentally conscious in how we source and handle our flowers. It shows that flowers are not just decorative items, but can serve as a form of medicine for the soul, offering comfort, peace, and emotional healing.
For you trainees, remember that every effort you have made has brought you closer to another success. Congratulations to each and every one, and may God bless you.
Level 4 graduates.
I stand here today with a heart full of gratitude to fostering innovation, leadership, and self-reliance has given us a platform to explore our potential, strengthen our skills, and imagine a future where we can create opportunities not only for ourselves but for the generation of learners we will now guide. Marami tayong pinagdaanan. Hindi po biro ang gumawa ng portfolio. Sabi nga ni Sir, CBT talaga. May reunion dito, may reunion doon. Christmas party dito, Christmas party doon. Pero, dagdag pa, online class. Nagpipresent simula 9 a.m. hanggang 5 p.m. Gusto pang mag-overtime ni Sir. Tama po, Sir? Okay. The long hours, walang tulugan, the challenges, and even the holiday distractions. We face them all. And together, we finish.
Good afternoon po. I'm Irish po, the leader of the Creative Cure of Group 1. Together with my team, we collaborated the planning process. We promote not only the beauty of flowers, but also the deeper idea of healing through our products and services. This represents growth through learning, creativity, and experience. The circular frame surrounded the logo represents wholeness, unity, and community. Flowers are more than gifts. They play an important role in enhancing well-being through their color, scent, and natural beauty. They are often present during moments of celebration, comfort, remembrance, and connection.
So they have rose, of course, and trend sensitive. So in the segment A,
Bachelor of Entrepreneurial Management. Magiging lead trainer, no, sa inyong kanya-kanyang field.
For you trainees, remember that every effort you have made has brought you closer to another success. Congratulations and may God bless you.
For the women who love without losing themselves, who stand on
truth without needing to tell.
We are all going to present the 19 candidates for graduation in entrepreneurship PQF level 4. These individuals have successfully completed the requirements of the program.
All the graduates, please stand. By the power vested in me as the Provincial Director, we hereby declare you graduates. Congratulations.
Wow, thank you very much. I am now inviting everyone to please ready for the awarding of our certificates. I'm inviting our OIC Center Administrator with our trainer to award our certificates.
Here, the business relies heavily on specific high-demand months, yung pong na-discuss ko, which means financial planning must account for seasonality. So, for the next chart, each of these offerings contributes not only to customer experience but also directly to the business revenue streams, cost structure, and overall financial performance. 55% of total expenses are variable, meaning they increases when sales increase.
Ladies and gentlemen, certificate of training is awarded to the following: Irish Gale Law.
Give a man a fish and you feed him for a day. But teach a man how to fish, you feed him for a lifetime.
Allow me to finish with these lines. Entrepreneur is not just a job title. It is a state of mind. A mindset of people who dream, who dare to dream, who refuse to accept the world as it is, and who are willing to take risk to alter the future. It is about seeing opportunities where others see obstacles, creating solutions where others see problems, and inspiring change that goes beyond personal success. Congratulations, Pioneer Batch Entrepreneurship PQF Level 4.
I would like you, fellow graduates, to tap the shoulder of your seatmate. Congratulations, Catalyst. Congratulations, Pioneer. Again, ladies and gentlemen, the PQF Level 4 graduates.